the beginning of summer, the countdown was to Camp Minnicani.
Usually in March, we are planning our schedule for the summer, and Minnicani is the priority.
The place has great energy. You sense it as soon as your kids are dropped off. Counselors are doing cartwheels and are just so excited about Camp Minnicani.
We've all been campers coming up through our leadership training program. So we were hand-selected by the staff here.
There are people who are on staff now who I was in cabins in when I was 8, 9, 10.
They're always smiling. And
we love when we drive up, when you come on that Sunday to drop them off. I mean, we want to stay.
This is like just about the safest place I could ever think of in the universe, besides Grandma's house, to have them be separated from us. I thought that I was off in the middle of nowhere. I was in the woods, I was camping, I was gone from my family. I was very independent, very exciting, and come to find out as a grown-up, and honestly I did not know this until a couple years ago, that it's really not very far from where I grew up.
Their mother and I dropped them off, and we thought maybe there would be some kind of separation anxiety or something, and nope, it was pretty much bye. See you later. Okay.
Everyone is rooting for you here. Everyone wants you to have a great day and be happy and achieve things that you've never done before or that you never thought possible.
It's very fun, and I think everybody should come here.
We have a lake they can swim in, they can sail, boating, canoeing. We can climb 50 feet up in the air and do the high ropes course.
Here I can ride horses. Here I can go diving off of a tower into a lake.
Archery, BB guns, air rifle and .22.
Deck diving, I did crafts, and I did windsurfing.
Literally the possibilities are endless here.
The activities are tons of fun, but really it's more just about the friendships made here, the bonds we make.
They're all in the same situation. They all don't know each other. They all are coming from a bunch of different backgrounds or places or financial situations, but all of that is left at home.
My goal as a counselor is that when a kid comes into my cabin, I want them to leave knowing that they're part of the Spirit of Minnicani.
At the end of the week are more than a family. They've shared this experience that so many kids don't get to experience.
Though we take many pictures, we take little jars of the lake to bring with us to wherever we go when we go home. The Spirit of Minnicani is something that can only be felt within your heart once you realize that this is a place unlike any other.
I'm really thankful that my mom sends me to camp every year, because if I wouldn't come here, then I would feel like a part of my life is missing.
I hope to someday be asked to come back as a counselor and share and give back to camp what camp's given to me, because it's given me so much.
If you want to have a great experience, if you want to have fun, be yourself, crack jokes with other people you might not know if you didn't come to camp, go to camp.
It is the best experience I've had in my life so far.
If there's an opportunity to come to Camp Minnicani, I can't imagine it ever being passed up.
Minnicani is the best thing that have ever happened to our family.
I never, ever, ever want to leave.